If you're experiencing the Roblox login failure error 2025, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to login issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you're using a web browser to access Roblox, clearing your cache can help. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. Restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 3. Update your browser or app. Make sure that your web browser or the Roblox app is up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Check for updates and install them before attempting to log in again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxying. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it. These services can interfere with your connection to Roblox servers. Disconnect from the VPN or proxy and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact Roblox support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. They can offer further guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure error and enjoy your time on Roblox.